Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another rain drive, a rainy afternoon in Kingston. So this is another rainy drive in the collection. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video as well. Remember to leave a comment and share. So we're taking a drive from Cassia Park, right here in Kingston, to Redhills Road, then basically into Halfway Tree. So rain drive, stay tuned, enjoy the video. We know the roads will be flooded already. The rain is falling for about 10 to 15 minutes now. We're taking this left turn onto Cassia Park Road. There's so much patrol on the road right now. It's such a headache driving after the rainy period or during this rainy period, because patrol is almost everywhere. First time you couldn't try swing from patrol, now you have to choose which patrol to go in. And then when it falls like this, you can hardly see the patrol. So it's when you're deep inside you realize you're in a deep patrol. So yeah, we know drainage is a major issue on the road. And we know once the rainy season is up, I think they'll patch most of the patrol. But until the rainy season is over, you just have to be very careful while driving on the road. You know, with just a little bit of rain, the roads are flooded. And it's something that really needs to be addressed in terms of the drainage we have on our roads, even the new roads as well. But again guys, stay tuned, enjoy the rain drive. I won't do much talking, I'll just, play some music and drive so you guys can enjoy the drive. And again, leave your comments. That helps the channel to grow, and that helps YouTube to recommend the video to persons that have never, been on the channel before. Alright guys, stay tuned. So we're now on Redhills Road, heading in the direction of Halfway Tree. We're going over Eastwood Park Road intersection, and then we go on to Constant Spring Road. So we're in Alpha Tree right now. So it was just a quick rain drive from Cassia Park Road to Red Hills Road to Constant Spring Road, Alpha Tree. So again, guys, remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for always supporting. And I'll definitely see you on another driving video.